So I am Kriti Bhaskar, a second year undergraduate student. And like I have done 20 plus internships in various domains like content writing, and
Kriti, can I
marketing,
interrupt you for a second?
management.
So,
Yes.
Kriti, tell me, means your idea about business. What you think about, a business or a
Like business,
startup?
like I have done two startups, both failed in a couple of months. So startup is just like a family which you have to. It's like a tree. You have to invest years and years to get a fruit from it.
Okay.
Like
So,
if you do now, you have to wait for 10 to 15 years to get a
mhm,
moneyful amount.
okay, no problem.
So Kriti, I had a question. I mean, you said that you worked on two startups and they failed. And you think that it's like a tree, which, you have to keep watering and you
Like
have to
my
keep,
team didn't work and they quitted on time. Like I
right.
did book of them during 11th and 12th.
Uh-huh. But did you realize what kind of fertilizer your tree needed for it to be a success, for it to grow taller?
Like my team didn't work. So I was like, if I have to do in future, I will have a greater team. Like team works the best.
Right, that's true. I mean, that's what we're trying to achieve over here as well by collaborating with each other. But what do you think, brings a team together? Do you think that a leader has an important role to play when it comes to teamwork?
Yes,
So,
like
I mean, when you say that you would want to have a greater team, do you mean in terms of quality, like better quality, or do you
in
mean,
terms of long time period, like they were
okay,
committed for a short time period. Once
all
they
right,
got a greater opportunity, they left.
okay, okay.
Okay. Yeah. So the same thing, I think I would like to convey to all young entrepreneurs or those who want to come into a business or would like to, initiate a startup. Listen to your seniors. Listen to, those who have done. At least go and, inquire that what has happened. Have, as Dhairya has said, have mentors, have coaches, have a regular sessions with them. Read a lot of books about startups. So, Kriti, as a youngster, I think I would like to suggest. So, what you have done, what groundwork you have done.
Like after the failure, I quitted for the part. Like I was like, I will do if in future I get like I was working for startups. Like I thought, let's gain experience, then I'll do that work.
Okay.
Now I started working for internship. I've done worked with 20 plus in work startups. And like I'm gaining experience how to work with them, how to collaborate with brands.
Mhm. One thing which I am really surprised, even I would like to pass it this to Pallavi also, and after that to Pankaj also. Youngsters of today's generation, they are saying they have worked in so many startups. Even Kriti, to you
Right.
also. I'll start with first with you, then with Pallavi, and then with Pankaj. So, which kind of work you are gaining or getting in so many of the
Like,
startup? Why not only one or two or five? Why 20? Why 10? Why so many?
because the company depends. Like
Hmm.
I was doing as a PR intern in one company, as a
Okay,
management intern in second
correct.
company, as a content writer in third. So
Third
the
company.
work depends.
But do you feel that you are being exploited over there or something like that? Because
No, sir. Like
mhm,
it's like gaining experience. Experience won't affect anything.
okay, no
It's like
problem. I think
improving your
that is,
skills.
yeah, that is perfectly good version. That's what I want to know from Generation Z, that why they are going through so many, internship in such a short span. Because I cannot even, taste what you can say a cappuccino in 20 minutes. Correct? Like I need to, spend enough time in Starbucks to enjoy it. So similarly, people are spending say 1 month or two, and then they are moving ahead and ahead and ahead. So yes, I agree with you that you can get exposure, but can you build a certain kind of sustainable relationship? I would like to pass it to Pallavi and then to Pankaj.
Right. So, sir, I think I agree with the fact that we should look at the duration of the internship because, so I won't name the company, but there were like two companies that approached me for, an internship. And I specifically told them that I'm not interested in sales or I'm not interested in affiliated marketing. but still they wanted to conduct an interview. I don't know why. And the person, the HR who got in touch with me, she even told me that, they're going to ask you, are you interested in marketing or are you interested in sales? So say that you're interested in sales. And when the interview happened, I just thought that, why should I lie? I don't even need this internship. So I just told them that, yeah, I'm interested in marketing. Sales is not my forte. That's something that I won't be able to do. And the interviewer, I mean, she just sort of blasted. So at me, I mean, she started saying that, then why are you here? And I wanted to tell her that it was your HR who, convinced me to at least give it a shot and go for the interview, even though I specifically said that I'm not interested. But yeah, I think that even their mentality is such that they're just picking up children for, even school students for these internships and trying to exploit them, I feel, because I know a couple of brands and companies that are, asking children to just like call up people and without any database, by the way. And I think that is so unethical because for 3 months you are making use of their network, you're making use of their circle, and once you have gained their contacts, you are just letting them go. You're saying, okay, your internship is over. So
Hmm.
I don't see what they gain out of that.
No, they make aja fasaja, multi-level
Yeah.
marketing. Yeah. So
Yes. Yes.
we need to, as a seniors or as a, industry, aware people, we need to
Mhm.
bring this awareness. Pankaj, what is your
Right.
take on this?
Yeah, so with regards to this mentality, I would like to point out, if you guys, I think you guys will agree with me. Everybody has, like a tick box to click. I asked Pallavi, you have to do one thing, you have to get me 10 candidates for this profile. So now it's Pallavi responsibility, how to convince those people, to get into that box that they come to
Right.
me and they give me the interview for that particular position. So that actually like a little like sad thing which is happening right now, and we all can make change. We have to like raise voice and we have to like talk about it. Like quite frequently. Then it would come in the picture. And now I'll get back to Kriti first.
Kritis, yeah. Hmm.
Yeah. First of all, let me congratulate you. You have already been part of two startups. When I was like at your age, I didn't know what was startup. I for me, it was just starting something. So right. So first of all, like if you are getting experience, right? First hand experience, what you are doing, right? It's like failing or getting success. It's altogether a different feeling, different thing. But actually, you are getting experience, right? If you
Yes.
ask me and you give me some sort of experience, like beat anything, like for example, I'll give you one small example. I think I always love giving examples. So my point is, if for example, if right now I'm talking to you, and if in the 1 second you hear Sundar Pichai, he's talking to you right now, right? You can't make it out difference. He's also a human being. I'm also a human being. I have one nose. He has one nose. He has like different sort of teeth, right? But the problem is like whatever experience he has because of like his net worth is because of his experience, right? If we like take as a person one to one, right? He has experience. That's why people are googly paying him that much money, or people like respect him or whatever you call it, right? So he's like based out those experiences which he had, which we might not know like whether he had a bad experience or good experience. So ultimately, like just like keep your spirit high, and you are getting experience, right? And ultimately after 10 years when you will be CEO of any company, or like we will be taking your appointments to meet you or to talk to you or will invite you, then you will remember this conversation you had with somebody who told you like you already getting experience, and that is the best thing, that is the best thing, you're getting experience. So I think like whole world is yours, you are getting experience, and you can like you are in the 1%. Let me tell you, you are in the 1%, who are thinking about startup. Doesn't matter whether it's a failing or it's not making sense, it will make sense sooner or later. But so just keep doing what you're doing. You will learn. You will learn from your mistakes. Nobody will come and teach you. You will learn from your mistakes, and wish you all the best.
Yeah. So I think Kriti, on the same note, I think in your case, as the presentation is not there, we are going through a multiple, questions. So yes, you have started, you have failed, and now you have decided that you want to continue with internship. So that's a
Yes.
great initiative. Now uh, it has happened with me also. I have started, I have failed, and I have never gone back. And I'm working in the corporate culture because I have now got used to with it, comfort zone.
but
That
I have never left the idea that I will
yes.
do that,
So
but for a break.
so
Like I
that
took a
that's you
break
are
from that.
still too young. So go ahead, maintain your passion. Do not give up. Do not give to the easy money.
Yes.
When I have given it up to easy money, and I have got enough money, both easy and enough money to work with my own work. I've decided, means own job. I've decided, okay, now I'm happy. Moving from country to country, I have moved so that instead of that, if you continue having your passion, I think you will progress. So have your vision. And now,
Yes.
last question to you: what is your vision? How you would like to proceed, or in which area you would like to proceed?
I would see myself in marketing domain.
Okay, so you would like to do a marketing of products or services?
Product.
Products. Okay, no problem. I think future is in both the area. Digital marketing is one of the thing which I repeatedly make people cautious, that just like the .com bubble burst, where we have seen in 2000, where I have failed, and I do not want my affiliates or people, those who are associated with me, to enter into that, because that domain is not only competitive, is too much concentrated now. Like previously, when everybody was making a.com, b.com, x.com, y.com, only amazon.com, flipkart.com, google.com has survived. So similarly, there will be consolidation will happen, and all those who are building apps and digital marketing, content creation, these that only those who have niche will survive. Remaining will be doing only free freelancing, which they are doing even right now.
Yes.
Freelancing, but for free. So uh, do not enter into that kind of business. Have a clear vision that I will have a niche or the skill. I would like Pankaj is having a smile on his face. I would like to have his version also.
No, I think that's absolutely right, and I always like tell people, to have principles, like maybe one or two, whatever you follow, and stick to them, and have like vision is altogether a very big word, but like it helps you, like for example, I would like to share. I started my career with a company like it's the Oberoi Hotels, and I do like feel lucky, to like I started my career with that particular company. So that company gave me like mission, vision, and dharma. Like I that's like very specific to hospitality, but still I try to involve in my life, day-to-day life, and it helped me a lot. Wherever I get stuck, I just think for that mission, vision, and dharma, and like it helps me. So in I think one of the video I've already talked about, like so that I'll share with you. So please have some your own principles, make your own principles and stick to them, and they will, they will test your patience. So you are somebody, you are the one, who's going to judge yourself first. Your real battle is with you, not with somebody. Because I do
Yes.
get up every day. Before attending this session, I had to iron this blazer. I had to find my shirt. I had to like make myself, like my mindset. I had to create that I'm going for a productive work, and I have to create some value. Like I just wanted to give my 100%. So whenever you get an opportunity, just try to put quality in it. Maybe it might be a smallest thing for you, but I like, for example, I don't consider anything small. Whenever I get an opportunity, I just put my 100%. Be it like maybe like washing utensils, or maybe like working
No
on my
work is
laptop.
small.
Yeah, anything, beat anything,
Yes.
and just try to put quality. Like how can I do best? How can I do best? And ultimately you will find yourself in that league, like where you will feel like for me, like putting quality doesn't mean like you have to be perfect all the time, but whatever you have, whatever resources you have, according to that, you should say after doing that I've given my 100%. That should be the
Perfect.
like your that should be the vision.